Hello friends, in previous part we have discussed about intra-testicular structure. In this part we will discuss about extra-testicular structure. Previous part we have studied about the testes are oval in shape and they are found in scrotum. This is the testis structures. We have already discussed from each testis there are 10 to 12 tubes are arises from rete testis. These tubes are called vas afferentia or vasa afferentia. At the outside, another tubes is present here. This another tubes is called. This is present in coiling. This is present in coiling. And this coiling tube is called epididymis. This is the epididymis. All the 10 to 12 so vasa afferentia opens into a circular or coiling tubes that is called epididymis. Epididymis consists three regions. The top region, which is called head, This head is known as caput epididymis. And central portion is called body. This is called corpus epididymis. And basal portion is known as tail. Tail is called cauda epididymis. Now in this part we will discuss extra-testicular structure. As the vas afferentia, the 10 to 12 tubes open into a large coiling structure tube that is called epididymis. This epididymis consists three regions: head, body, and tail. Head is called caput epididymis, body is called corpus epididymis, and tail is called cauda epididymis. The sperms which are released through the vasa afferentia comes into the epididymis. Epididymis is the place where the sperms stay temporarily. Sperms stay in epididymis temporarily. 18 to 24 hours. As we know that sperms are produced in seminiferous tubules. In seminiferous tubules, the nutrition is provided by Sertoli cell. But as the sperms release from seminiferous tubules, the sperms moves vigorously because they don't contain any nutrition substances. But epididymis is the site where the sperms stay temporarily for 18 to 14 hours. Why? For physiological maturity. So that they can be fully mature. They stay here in physiologically in epididymis. Then epididymis again becomes a state tubules that is called vasa deferens. As we discuss extra-testicular structures, we need to draw again the structure of this is the scrotum. As we know that scrotum consists two lobes with the help of the different septum, but in this testis we know that scrotum is a single pouch and which contains two septums. But to draw the structure of extra reproductive part of male, we need to draw with some gap. Although the scrotum is a single pouch, it contains two lobes. But to draw the structure of extra reproductive male reproductive part, we need to separate them, make some distances. This is the scrotum. And just inside the scrotum, ovule shaped testis is present. Just like here is also. This is testis. There is no need to discuss again why, how the testes are covered. There is no need. From testis, we discuss about the epididymis. Epididymis is just like this one. Is a coiling structures we have already discussed about, and again it changed into a straight tubules. It changed into a straight tubules. This epididymis consists of 3 zones. After the cauda, tail part of epididymis, it becomes a straight tubules. This straight tubules is called vasa deferens. Vasa deferens. This vasa deferens through the inguinal canals, because we know that scrotum is attached to the abdominal cavity with inguinal canal. Then this vasa deferens ascend into the abdominal cavity through inguinal canal, because this is the inguinal canals. Inguinal canal. And through these inguinal canals, the vasa deferens ascend into the abdominal cavity and just comes near to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. This one is urinary bladder. We know that in male, only single openings duct through the semen as well as urine is secretion. So that duct is called urinogenital duct. Near to the urinary bladders, the vasa deferens becomes just swelling part, becomes wider. It becomes wider part near to the urinary bladder. This wider part is called ampulla. The wider part of vas deferens near to the urinary bladder is called ampulla. From ampulla, a new duct arises, or you can say that new gland arises. Gland arises from here. This gland is called seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. The food particles which are present, the substances which are contained in seminal vesicles, also comes into the ampulla. What is ampulla? The wider part of vasa deferens near to the urinary bladder. This wider part is called ampulla. In ampulla, one gland is also open. That gland is called seminal vesicle. We will discuss what is the role of seminal vesicle later. And after that, this vasa deferens open into the urethra. Just same from here, this vasa deferens is also contained here, and wider part, from each wider part, one more seminal vesicle gland arises. So we can say that in male there is a pair of seminal vesicle gland. This is the gland. One was the left side and the other one is the right side. Same structure is arises from here, just like this one. Then the duct vasa deferens after the ampulla, which open into the urinary bladder or urethra. This duct is called ejaculatory duct. Vasa deferens is known till the ampulla. After ampulla to urethra, this duct is called ejaculatory duct. This is the single opening, and this single opening is called urethra. Then this canal is arises. This canal or this duct in male help in, because this part is also comes from here and urine also comes from here. So we can say that this is called urinogenital duct. In male, there is single opening through the semen as well as urine secretion. Through the semen and urine secretion can take place through a single duct, and that is called urinogenital duct. This duct is called, not the urethra, this duct is called urinogenital duct, because the semen also comes from here and urine also comes from here. So it is called urinogenital duct. At the end of urethra, there is a donut-like structure gland also present. In childhood, we can say that a single prostate gland is present in walnut structure, but in maturing a normal human being, a mature, it contains a walnut-like structure, or you can say that donut-like structure. Donut is a single rolling, a circular structure which have one hole, which contain one hole. It means the donut is just like opening part and it contains a single, or urethra portion is also. This is the donut-like gland, and this gland is called prostate gland. So we can say that in a human being, a pair of testes contain, a pair of vasa deferens contain, and pair of seminal vesicle gland. But prostate gland is a singular. Just below the prostate gland, a pair of P-shaped gland is also present, both sides of urinogenital duct. This pair of P-shaped structure gland is called Cowper's gland. Cowper's gland. These glands are also called bulbourethral gland. Bulbourethral gland. What is the role of bulbourethral glands? They help in lubrication. Before the mating process, Cowper's gland secretion some fluid which makes the lubricant. They help in lubrication. And just the base of the Cowper's gland, one muscular organ is present. This one muscular organ, which contain many glands, duct as well as nerves and skin, this is called penis. At the anterior part, the penis becomes some wider. And this wider part is called glans penis. Glans penis. At the tip, the penis becomes some swollen or wider part. This wider part is called glans penis. Here at the glans penis, the skin remains folding here. Skin, the unfolding, you can say the folding skin is present at the glans penis. That is called purpurus, or as well as foreskin. This we can say that this contains purpurus or foreskin. What is purpurus and foreskin? The folding skin remains at the glans penis. That is called purpurus as well as foreskin. And after that, the semen and the urine is secretion from here. This oval shaped structure is called meatus. This is the opening through the semen as well as urine is secretion from the body. This is called meatus, and this muscular organ is called penis. What is penis and glans penis? The muscular organ which help in mating process to secrete the semen into the female vagina. That organ is called penis. At the end of penis, the swollen part of penis is called glans penis. The urinogenital duct from this here. and this is the urethra. In human being, a normal human being, the length of penis is maybe 12 centimeter. A normal human being consists, the length of penis is 12 centimeter. At the time of mating process, due to the blood circulation as well as the junction reactions of the glands, the penis becomes hard, erectile, and that enters into the vagina. Before hardness or erectileness, the penis is not able to insert into the vagina. This is the extra testicular structure of a male reproductive system. In next part, we will discuss on different types of glands, such like what is the role of seminal vesical gland, prostate gland, as well as bulbourethral glands, and how the semen may present, how many sperms may present in a normal human body. So, in next part, we will discuss on later.